Waterdrop Whole House Water Filter is one of the most durable, budget-friendly systems to remove sediment, chlorine, and insoluble iron from your city or well water. However, it's not meant to handle soluble iron or reduce all harmful total dissolved solids. So in this video, we'll analyze this Waterdrop system based on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to help you decide if it's truly worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1. Contaminant Removal. The Waterdrop Whole House uses a two-stage filtration system designed to tackle the most common contaminants in well and municipal water supplies. The first stage is an iron and manganese reducing manganese sand filter, targeting insoluble ferric iron and manganese, which are often responsible for yellowish or rusty-looking water. The second stage contains granular activated carbon, responsible for reducing chlorine, odor, and organic compounds, which instantly improves the taste and smell of your water. Their hard water scale reducing filter uses polyphosphate, which is less efficient and more costly than template-assisted crystallization technology, which Kindwater uses. The system is SGS tested against NSF 42 standards for chlorine reduction and can clear yellow or discolored water. Users dealing with high iron content, even up to 16 parts per million, have reported that the system worked well and removed the metallic taste and discoloration from their water. However, the manganese sand and carbon media used here can only handle insoluble ferric iron, not high amounts of soluble ferrous iron, which stays dissolved in water and requires a proper oxidizing filter system like AIO plus manganese green sand media. Additionally, since Waterdrop Whole House acts as a pre-filter, it won't eliminate all harmful TDS. For that, you can pair it with an under-sink reverse osmosis system. Round number 2. Water flow rate and pressure. The system supports an impressive flow rate of up to 12 gallons per minute, which is sufficient for medium to large households. Most users report no noticeable drop in water pressure after installation. However, maintaining this performance depends on a few small but crucial steps. You'll need to tighten the screw inside the housing and apply around 15 wraps of Teflon tape on the threaded fittings to prevent leaks. The system is designed to withstand up to 90 psi pressure, and the body is NSF 372 certified for material safety, meaning it's free from lead and made of durable food-grade materials. Its compact size is another advantage. Many homeowners appreciate that it doesn't take up much space compared to larger cylindrical filters, making it an ideal option for smaller utility rooms or garages. Round number 3. Ease of installation. Installation is relatively straightforward, but it's not a simple plug-and-play setup. You need to measure, cut, and remove a section of your main water line. So unless you have prior plumbing experience, hiring a professional plumber is recommended. The best part is that you get a detailed installation manual and step-by-step video tutorials to help with the process. All essential installation materials are included in the box, except for the plumbing fittings. During installation, remember those key steps again. Wrap fittings with 15 layers of Teflon tape, tighten screws securely, and install a bypass valve to keep the water supply on during filter changes. After setup, flush the system multiple times before first use to clear out any residual carbon dust. If you face persistent leakage, use a polypropylene adapter fitting and a bit of plumber's putty on the threads for a perfect seal. Round number 4. Ease of maintenance. The filters are easy to replace, and you can do it without needing professional help. Both the iron filter and GAC filter lasts up to 6 months, depending on your water quality and usage. This brings the annual replacement cost to around $144, similar to other competitors. Waterdrop recommends cleaning the filter housing with warm water and a mild bleach solution each time you replace your filters to prevent bacterial buildup and maintain performance. Round 5. Warranty and customer support. The Waterdrop Whole House filter comes with a 1-year limited warranty covering defects in materials and workmanship. While this isn't as long as the lifetime warranty of the Kindwater E3000, Waterdrop has earned a reputation for responsive and helpful customer support. Users often mention quick assistance and replacement parts being shipped promptly when issues arise. With everything said and done, here's our key takeaway. The Waterdrop Whole House Water Filter is a solid choice for households dealing with sediment, chlorine, and insoluble ferric iron in their water. It's built from durable certified materials, offers a strong flow rate, and is relatively easy to maintain once installed. However, it's essential to test your water first. If you're struggling with soluble iron, high TDS, or hardness, you'll need additional systems like an oxidizing iron filter, reverse osmosis, or a water softener to achieve complete water purification. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And for another useful clean water guide, check out this video next.